Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Select any one selection tool and click on Select Subject. Select Polygonal Lasso tool and follow the process. Press Ctrl+J for Make Duplicate. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Select Rectangular Marquee tool and follow the process. Right-click and click on Rasterize Layer. Right-click and click on Fill. Select Content Aware and press OK. Deselect the selection. Right-click and create Clipping Mask. Change Blend Mode Normal to Multiply. Press Ctrl+J and drag it up. Change Blend Mode Normal to Color Burn. Right-click and create Clipping Mask. Make Duplicate and change Blend Mode Color Burn to Linear Dodge Add. Press Ctrl+L. Adjust the brightness. Press OK. Opacity 80%. Click on Adjustment Layer and Gradient. Follow the process. Scale 180%. This is the final result. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.